Hey everyone, what's up? In today's video, we're diving into the best rangefinders for hunting available on Amazon. Ever felt overwhelmed by all the options out there? Choosing the right one for your hunting needs can be tricky, but stick around as we compare the top contenders to help you make the best choice for your next adventure. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab any of these rangefinders. But if you go for a rangefinder, treat it like a professional and get 15% off with the code RISEUP15. Treat it like a professional and get 15% off with the code RISEUP15. Let's jump right in. Number 6. Halo Optics Hunting Laser Rangefinder. First up, the Halo Optics Hunting Laser Rangefinder. If you're a budget-conscious hunter, this could be your best bet. With a weather-resistant design, it's perfect for those unpredictable hunting days, and its ergonomic, non-slip grip ensures steady handling when the action heats up. Plus, it's ultra-portable, perfect for those long hunts. The scan mode offers real-time distance updates, which is a game-changer when tracking fast-moving game. While it's reliable for short to mid-range distances, its lack of advanced features and shorter range might hold back those after long-distance shots. Still, if you're just getting started or need a simple, reliable tool, this is a solid choice. Number 5, Nikon Forestry Pro 2 Rangefinder. Number 5, we have the Nikon Forestry Pro 2 Rangefinder, which doubles as a hypsometer for measuring height and angles. A great feature for those into both forestry and hunting. This tool is equipped with true target technology, providing accurate readings even in tough terrain. Its OLED screen ensures clear visibility even in low light, which is essential for those early morning or dusk hunts. It's a bit pricey and more suited for specific forestry tasks, but for serious hunters who want a high-precision, versatile tool, it's worth considering. Number 4, Bushnell Broadhead Hunting Laser Rangefinder. Next, at number 4, the Bushnell Broadhead Rangefinder stands out. It's known for its accuracy, offering precision within 0.3 yards up to 150 yards. As a bow hunter, I love how it adapts from black to red for visibility in low light. The ARC, angle range compensation feature, helps you account for terrain, making it perfect for those steep hill shots. It's lightweight, portable, and coated with exobarrier for optimal clarity in any weather. The bow, while it's a little tricky to program at first, once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. This is a solid mid-range option for those who want reliable performance without a hefty price tag. Number 3, Maven CRF 1622 52000 YD Rangefinder. Now let's talk about Maven CRF 1622. If you want premium performance without the premium price, this is it. It offers field and forest modes, perfect for any environment, and can range up to 2,400 yards, which is ideal for long-range shots. What's even better, it's water-resistant, lightweight, and even floats, making it a great companion for all kinds of weather. The auto brightness adjustment works great, although the display might turn a bit red in low light. Still, for around $295, you're getting excellent features without breaking the bank. Number 2, Vortex Optics Diamondback HD 2000 Laser Rangefinder. At number 2, the Vortex Optics Diamondback HD 2000 is packed with features that make it perfect for serious hunters. It ranges reflective targets up to 2,000 yards, and scan mode helps spot moving targets with ease. The HCD mode compensates for angles, ensuring accurate shots on uphill or downhill shots. The only downside, the display could use a bit more info in HCD mode, and at $300 to $449, it's still an investment. But considering Vortex's lifetime warranty and reliability, this rangefinder is a great deal. Number 1, CoxiVision Rangefinder with slope for golf and hunting. And at number 1, the CoxiVision Rangefinder takes the crown. Whether you're out hunting or playing golf, this rangefinder delivers unmatched precision. It locks onto targets in just 0.3 seconds, even in fog or rain. The slope function measures on any terrain, and the multiple modes ensure you're always prepared. It's not just for pros, it's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their game. And if you're serious about accuracy and performance, the CoxiVision Rangefinder is definitely the one to go for. When it comes to choosing a rangefinder, it's important to consider what best fits your hunting style. For example, bow hunters might prioritize precision at short ranges, while rifle hunters may need longer range capabilities. Features like angle compensation, waterproofing, and scan modes can make a world of difference in challenging environments. Investing in a rangefinder that matches your hunting conditions ensures you're prepared for any situation. So who's the winner? Based on overall features, versatility, and performance, the CoxiVision Rangefinder takes the top spot. It's packed with top-tier tech, is lightning fast, and handles tough conditions like a pro. Thanks for watching. All the links to these rangefinders are in the description, so check them out and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit like if you found this comparison helpful and subscribe for more awesome gear reviews. See you in the next video.